Hi guys, we're still here in the port of Tianjin, and I found something really interesting about this place today. You can just about see the city off in the background there. There's a huge skyscraper. It's one of the tallest buildings in the world. The city itself has about 15 million people living here, and it's one of the start points for the Chinese Belt and Road project. And if you don't know what that is, I suggest you give it a Google. It's pretty amazing. So huge cities need huge ports, and this place is huge. It's got 190 berths. About 30,000 trucks pass through here every day. But for me, the most interesting part is that terminal with the blue cranes over there, because it is autonomous. The 12 cranes are serviced by 73 trucks. They all have a 5G and GPS connection, and there's just one guy sitting in a room somewhere watching some screens, and the computers take care of the rest. No crane drivers, no truck drivers, all fully autonomous. They've completely taken humans out of that part of the equation. Whether you like it or not, you have to admit, it's pretty impressive.